Wow, all girls today, how we get a lesbian orgy.
Sorry, but I had a sex change to a woman, but they did not cut off my dick, so I am a shemale.
I'm just here to get paid, so shut the fuck up.
Well, okay, some foul language here and wait, I'm allowed to cuss. Okay, well, fuck ass, ship that bitch, ho horse gan prick ass all motherfucker host.
Okay, you are all weird. I am horny and I wanna have a sex orgy. I don't give a fuck.
Wow, I pay 99,999,999 trillion cash to see that.
Okay.
I'm getting paid by the hour.
Damn, I can cuss, wow.
Okay, well, I say bye to America.